Again, Chambi is putting all the papers inside his envelope. So, you keep your things. And he is putting the paper to the trash and some.
Paper plane.
Oh, you're trying to make a paper plane? Okay, that's nice. See? Guys, Chambi knows how to make an airplane, paper airplane. Look, again, he's folding the right upper left corner of the paper. Yes, folding. Yes, see that? See that? Okay.
Just follow the line.
Just follow the line, yes. And then
We have to fold it. We know.
you have to fold it like that.
And it will know. And you see this? He will know over there.
Yes, right.
You see over there?
Yes.
Just be careful.
Okay.
Don't mess up.
Why?
You cannot fly if you mess up.
The plane will not fly if you mess up. So be careful.
So be careful what?
Be careful in folding the paper.
Woo!
Right?
Yeah.
Okay, that's nice.
There.
There.
There. You see this?
Yes.
This is just an open line.
Open.
Have to bang.
Fold again.
Fold it.
Yes.
Here. And the next one.
Wow, nice, Chambi. Good job.
You can make it bigger. Even what you make bigger. You will know everything. You will know everything.
Okay.
Now there.
There is the plane. Whoa, whoa, whoa. It flew. Another try. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Okay. Bye guys. That was Chambi's airplane. Paper airplane. Okay.
Yeah, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.